Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm doing a split base. That means two colours on the surface area of the canvas, and I can't wait to show you my colour palette. And today it's just a paint and water combination. So can you guess the technique that I'm using? I'm really pleased you're here with me. Let's see what we can create. So here's my canvas. It's already on the stands and my paints are mixed up with just water. You can see here I've got a green, a gold, a white, a blue turquoise and this gorgeous iridescent copper. I will list all the colours and the brands of paint that I use in my description box, so be sure to check those out. But the ratios that I'm using today for this mixture is 1:1. 1 part paint to 1 part water, so you can see that it's very fluid. So they're my paints, they're all mixed up. I've got my canvas on the stand, so let's go. So on this one, I'm doing a split base and I'm going to use two colours. I'm going to use the copper and the turquoise blue. So I'm just going to layer those on the canvas and then I'll use my blow dryer to blow the paint out across the surface area. My blow dryer is on a cool setting and the lowest blow speed, and I use that for all of my Dutch pours and hairdryer blowouts. So I've got that paint evenly blown across the canvas. I've got good consistent coverage, and that's across the blue turquoise and that copper. And then it's about layering the other colours on top, and I'm going to do that where those two paints meet. So where that blue turquoise and that copper meets in the middle of the canvas. Okay, so that's all of my corners fixed and just touched up. And now it's about layering those other paints. So I'm going to use a gold, a white and a green. Again, I'm just going to use my blow dryer on a cool setting and the lowest blow speed, just to blow those colours now out across the canvas. As I'm doing this, it's also being mindful about the overall composition. So the amount of colour that I've got in the middle to blow out versus the colour that's already on the base. So the copper and the blue turquoise, it's about how much I want of that to expose compared to the colours we wanted to blow out. I just wanted to add a little bit more green, and now I'm happy with the overall look of this piece. So I feel like I've got a good balance of all those colours, plus the colours that were already on the base. I'm just using my torch now, and that's just to pop any air bubbles, and then what I'll do is I'll take you in for a closer look at the wet and the dry version. So here we go, this is the wet version. When I lay a canvas to one side to dry, I usually do that for a couple of days. It will dry probably within 24 to 48 hours to touch, but a good few weeks to fully cure before I place a layer of varnish over the top. So once this is dry, I'll take you in for a look at the dry version. But what I'd ask is, if you're enjoying the videos, please think about giving them a thumbs up. You can hype them, and you can also share them, and that helps me reach new people across YouTube who might be interested in the kind of artwork that we all do together. So a big thank you in advance for that. So here's the dry version, and I really love it. It's a colour combination that I wouldn't normally pick, but that copper is gorgeous, and mixed with that green, that gold, that white and that blue turquoise just makes all those other colours pop. A big thank you to each and every one of you for supporting me week after week. I really do appreciate all of your support, and I really hope I get to see you again in the next video. I hope you're well. I hope whatever you're up to creatively, you're having fun, and I definitely want to see you soon. So take care of yourself, and hope to see you again. Bye.